it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Welcome to 2019. Can you believe it? I'm back from Indiana. I was there over Christmas, as some of you know, and my lovely daughter-in-law gave me a new haircut. Don't you like it? Oh, the grays are coming in, aren't they? Okay, listen, today we're going to make some broccoli salad. Over the holidays, we tend to eat so heavy. So I thought maybe some broccoli salad would taste really, really good. And you know what? Right now, broccoli is pretty cheap. I don't know why, it just is. And I was able to pick up some lovely heads of broccoli for 99 cents at Aldi's. So I decided I'm going to make a delicious broccoli salad. And it's got bacon in it. Okay? All right. Come join me in the kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. Let's get busy and make some broccoli salad. And before we get too busy, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share to Simple Food, Simple Life, because you don't want to miss an exciting second. Okay? Why was I laughing when I said that? I don't know. Just disregard that laugh. Okay. All right. We're going to make some broccoli salad. And like I said, what happens is over the holidays we eat so heavy that I just felt in the mood for some broccoli salad, and right now broccoli is a really, really good buy. And so if you like broccoli, take advantage of it. So let me show you what I have in my bowl here. I have some broccoli, of course, which I tried to cut it up as small as I could. Sometimes broccoli, you cut it up too small and then it starts to, the florets disintegrate on you. So it's a fine line we walk. It's a fine broccoli line. And I've got some green onion. Normally you might use purple onion, but I have green onion and I sliced it on the diagonal because I think it looks nice. I've got a quarter cup of salted salted sunflower seeds. And I've got, I almost said pumpkin seeds. That would, well, you could use pumpkin seeds if you wanted to. I've got some celery. That's a couple of stalks of celery, and there's some chopped up carrot. I think there's like two carrots in there. And I have a half a cup of dried cranberries. Now, I really, really love the orange zest cranberries in this. If you want to try that, you can. The thing about this is we're going to put some bacon in it too. And I didn't want to add my bacon too soon, so I have 4 slices of cooked crumbled bacon in here. Now, I got this initial recipe from Spend with Pennies, and the website is spendwithpennies.com. It's a really good resource if you're looking for some good recipes. And what I really, really love about this recipe is the dressing for the recipe. And I'm going to put the recipe for the dressing in the description box below, so you'll have that, because this is a mayonnaise-based dressing. It's got a cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use brown sugar if you prefer, a light brown sugar, or you can actually use a sugar substitute if that's more up your alley. Okay, so, but this is so good. This can be used on coleslaw, broccoli slaw, and I am going to do a video on broccoli slaw because I want you to see how I do that. And just about anything where you want a mayonnaise-based dressing, and this is really good also just on your salad. It's scrumptious. So, here we go. Let's get this all mixed up. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of toss my ingredients here, because I divided them up and made them look pretty so that you could, you know, see what I had. All right. Now then, I'm going to add my dressing. I'm going to put my bacon in last. Now, I do have a video on how to make a vegan broccoli salad, which also has vegan mayonnaise. So I'll put the link below, and if you want to look at that, you certainly can. No problemo. Okay, got my dressing in there. I'm going to give this a toss first. Now, this, I'm not kidding, this dressing is absolutely scrumptious. I don't have any salt and pepper in here yet. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, but we will see. It may not need it. And frankly, the bacon is salty, so I may just skip that part. I may just do pepper. All right, see what we got here? Now, I'm just going to sprinkle my bacon in. And frankly, I don't like the bacon too crumbly. I kind of like it so that you can actually see it and taste it. Well, you're definitely going to taste it, but anyway. Oh, this is so, so good. And it doesn't look refreshing. Oftentimes in the wintertime, we do eat a lot of comfort food. But you know what? Let's make, let me get you down here where you can say it. Let's make, salads can be comfort food too, right? Maybe. Well, I'm feeling pretty comfortable right now. Okay. There it is. That's honestly, that is really all there is to it. That's the whole thing right there. I am going to put just a sprinkle of pepper on there. And, you know, oh, well, I'm sorry, I got to do it. A little salt, because salt makes food taste good. All right, that's it. That's all there is to it. Now, I'm going to store this in a covered container and pop it in the refrigerator. And as this sits, the flavors get all cozy and comfortable, and they get to know each other and feel like they're friends, and it tastes even better. But I'm going to grab a fork real quick because I have to taste it. You'd think, since I'm going to taste stuff, I would have my fork ahead of time, wouldn't you? But I don't. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, let's give it a little taste. I got a little onion. I got some bacon. Let's give it a try. It seems weird because you can't see me do this, but you know, use your imagination in a good way. Oh, that's tasty. Now, it's happiness. Happiness. All right, now then. Sorry for my chewing. I'm going to get this in a container and let it sit, and then it'll be delicious because this is going to be part of supper tonight. Okay? All right, listen. I love you. If I can do it, you can do it. You know you can. And you know what? You just remember that little is much when God is in it. You can trust me on that, okay? All right. Love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.